Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I cook my baked spaghetti. And these are the ingredients. I use Prego spaghetti sauce. I usually get the original, but they didn't have any. So I got the Italian sausage. Of course, you need your ground beef and bell pepper, onions. And I use diced tomatoes in my noodles. Ground beef first. And then I go ahead and add my bell peppers and onion to my ground beef while it's browning. And that's what I'm doing right here. So this video is in participation with Kenya and Denise. They have a 4-week series going on called Quarantine Cooking, hashtag stay at home with me. So this is part of that series. Great idea for a series because everyone is at home and cooking. Well, not everyone, but a lot of people are at home cooking. And if you're like me, you're running out of great ideas. So I came up with this simple idea of how I cook my baked spaghetti. Of course, it's a simple dish. You know, everybody cooks spaghetti. But recently, in the last couple of years, I've started baking my spaghetti. So, of course, I'm just adding everything together here. I've drained my ground beef. You go ahead and drain your grease off your ground beef. And then I put it back in my Dutch oven here. And I'm just mixing everything right in this dish. So right here, after I have everything all mixed together, I have it in my baking dish, and I'm just going to add some cheese to the top, nice and simple. And I just cook it until my cheese melts. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee, and my channel is budget friendly. I focus on budget friendly content, things that help you save money. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. To 350 degrees, and as I said, I leave my spaghetti in until the cheese melts. And I want to go ahead and thank Kenya and Denise for coming up with this great series. So every Wednesday for the next 4 weeks at 7 p.m. there will be a playlist of great ideas.